Mobile learning is more than a trend, it's a game changer for adult education. It puts learning directly into the hands of busy, on-the-go adults, offering access, flexibility, and control. Today's learners don't want to be tied to a classroom or even a desktop. They want learning that fits into their lives during a commute, over lunch, between meetings, or after the kids go to bed. That's the promise of mobile learning. Anytime, anywhere education. So what makes mobile learning effective? First, design for mobile first, not as an afterthought. Use responsive layouts, large readable fonts, and simple navigation that works well on any screen size. Second, make content bite-sized. Microlearning works best on mobile. Break lessons into 2 to 5 minute chunks that focus on one skill or concept at a time. Third, include multimedia. Videos, podcasts, animations, and infographics increase engagement without overwhelming attention spans. Fourth, allow offline access. Let learners download content when Wi-Fi isn't available so they can keep learning wherever they are. Fifth, build interactivity. Mobile doesn't mean passive. Use quizzes, reflections, polls, or discussion prompts to keep learners engaged and thinking. Sixth, support progress tracking. Use reminders, streaks, or gamified goals to encourage daily learning habits and build momentum. Also, make it social. Mobile learning can include messaging, peer groups, or live chat to keep learners connected and motivated. And always ensure accessibility. Use captions, transcripts, and inclusive design practices so learning is available to everyone. Mobile learning doesn't replace other methods, it expands them. It makes education more flexible, responsive, and learner-centered. Because when learning meets learners wherever they are, it becomes a part of their daily rhythm, not a disruption. The future of education is mobile. And the best learning isn't confined to time or place. It's ready whenever the learner is.